Giles Montessori and School. Unit 3. English Grade 5. Difficult words from Read at Your Own Workbook. Cliffhanger. एक पुरस्कार कहानी. A mysterious story. Adventure. Mayhem joy. An exciting or dangerous experience. Adults. बड़े लोग. Grown up people. Exciting. खुशी से. Full of happiness and energy. Ideas. ख्यालत. Thoughts or plans. Wouldn't listen. नहीं सुन रहा था. Refused to hear or pay attention. Advert. इश्तिहार. A notice or announcement. Abseiling. एक खेल. A sport of descending a rock using a rope. Canoeing. एक खेल. A sport of paddling a small boat. Archery. एक खेल. A sport of shooting arrows with a bow. Serious. संजीदा. Not joking or playful. Thumping. बहुत जोर की आवाज. A loud, heavy sound. Stared. घूरना. Looked at something for a long time. Deep breath. लंबा सांस. Inhaling air deeply. Shoulders. कंधाए. The upper part of the arms and body. Snorted. जोर से फूंक मारना. Made a loud breathing sound through the nose. Apart. एक दूसरे से जुदा. Separated from each other. Know. जानना. To understand or be aware of something. Because. क्योंकि. For the reason that. Tried. कोशिश की. Made an effort to do something. Cuddle. बहुत जोर से पकड़ लेना. Hold someone closely with affection. Wouldn't. नहीं करेगा. Refuse to do something. Stiff. बहुत सख्त. Hard or difficult to move. Tough. जानदार. Strong and able to face challenges. Special. बहुत ही खास. Unique or different in a good way. Hug. Holding someone tightly to show love. Drove. Took someone or something in a vehicle. Laugh. हंसना. Chuckle. Sniffing. सूंघना. Smelling. Excitedly. पुरजोश. Enthusiastically.